In case if you want to provide your customers certain coupons or promotional offers during a sales drive, you can do so with the help of discounts. To proceed with it, you need to first tap on the discount tab. To create a discount, tap on add discount tab. Enter the discount name. Then enter the discount type, either in percentage or fixed amount. Then select the maximum discount amount either as unlimited or limited. Now if you want to create a coupon, you need to tap on create coupon code tab. Either enter the coupon name or tap on generate. Select the coupon usage limit as unlimited or limited. If you want to decide on how much coupons that the customer may use, you can select the limited tab and tap on save. You will notice that the coupon gets generated. You can either add coupon code by tapping on edit, or you can even delete the coupon by tapping on remove. Now you can apply the discount for particular orders. By default, the discount will be applied on all orders. You can even select the orders for a particular amount. Let me write certain order amount. For example, if a customer has placed an order equal to 300 or more than that, then the discount will be applied. You can even add a discount for a specific item. Let's select an item, tap on add. Select a product from the list and tap on continue. You can even select a product category if you like. Tap on add. Select a category and finally tap on continue. Now you can even decide for which customers you can apply the discounts for. By default, the discounts will be applied for all customers. You can even apply discounts for new customers that are placing orders for the first time. You can even apply discounts for particular customer groups. Let's add some customer groups. For that, tap on add. Select certain groups from the list and tap on continue. Now you can set the discount durations as well. Enter the start date. Tap on set. Enter the timings. You can even set the end time. You need to toggle the option as on. Select the end date. Tap on set. Similarly, enter the end time. Finally, you can apply the discounts for your particular channels as well. To save the discount, you need to tap on save. I have successfully created a discount. Now you'll notice for each and every discounts created, there are various tags present. Now if you see, there's a schedule tag. It means that the sale drive will take place on a future date. An active tag means that the sale drive is currently ongoing. A pause tag means the sales drive is currently or temporarily disabled. An expired tag means that the sales drive is currently over. You can similarly either pause or resume the discount offer. So with the help of discounts, you can not only increase the brand awareness of your website, but also helps you to increase your revenue sales. So this was all about discounts option. Thanks for watching. We hope that this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, you can comment below or contact our customer support team. For more videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for further updates.